Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create a space in Perplexity AI. It's a simple process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own space ready to use. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to the Perplexity AI website. Once you're signed into your account, look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see an option called Spaces. Click on it. Now, on the top right corner of the page, you'll find the New Space button. Click on it to continue. A new window will appear where you can customize your space. First, enter a title for your space. This can be anything based on the purpose of your project or workspace. Next, add a description. This helps explain what your space is about, making it easier to organize your work. Below that, you'll see the Instructions section. Here, you can write custom instructions to tell Perplexity how you want it to respond or what kind of assistance you need within this space. After filling in all the required details, simply click the Create button. That's it, your new space has been created successfully, and you can now start adding conversations, asking questions, and organizing your work inside it. I hope this video helped you create a space in Perplexity AI. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.